Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're not going to go through a trading session. I will announce the grand competition. It's finally started. You can sign up now. But before everything, let's just go through this video. And I want you to watch this video till the end to see what you will face and what this is all about. Okay, so this is a competition. It's a trading contest between all of you. And it's free for everyone. Every single one of you can join and have the chance of winning $10,000 with free mentorship for the first person. If you're second person, you will win $5,000 with exclusive free mentorship. And if you're third person, you win $1,000 with free premium mentorship. So these are, bro, it's close to 20K in terms of, money-wise value, because 10,000, 10,500, it's $16,000 in money. And if you count these as $1,000 cost of mentorship, it's about $19,000 prize pool, which is, that's insane. So let's just see what you will go through after signing up, okay? So what you get after signing up. These are beside the prizes, okay? So if you sign up in this competition, beside all the prizes you can have after winning, you get an exclusive preparation course before competition starts, okay? So I didn't do it like, okay, come join this competition and you go trade for yourself. I created a video. I recorded a long form of video for you and for preparing the participants for this competition, which covers how to approach the market, what to do when we open the chart, and how basically we trade, and also what I personally do before my trading sessions to detect good markets. As you know, before my live trading sessions, for 10 to 20 minutes, I go through the market and I analyze the charts, and I do not start immediately, unlike every other person. And I explained that in this video, and this is one of the commonly asked questions as well. Also, recap from usual YouTube setups and suggestions. Okay, so I also talked about what setups are suggested for you to use in this competition for growing a small account, and some suggestions and confirmations and all that. And also, finally, money management, how to try, since we're going to grow a small account and this competition is for everyone. So you can start with $10. Okay, you can start with $10 to maximum $100. I didn't put more than this. Okay, and this $10, first of all, I wanted to have the same balance for everyone, but then I thought, since everyone will try to join this competition, someone might not have $100 to risk for a competition. So I came with this idea that minimum balance of $10 and maximum 100. Somebody might want to have money management in a different way. They can afford, they start with $100. Somebody wants to just get the course, get the trading material, and they might not care about the competition, so they can join with $10. And also, I've seen so many people send me screenshots of turning $5 to $500, or turning $10 to $4,000. I see a lot of those, people sending their screenshot and they are excited. So I think this can also make a big difference, and you can also win the competition with starting $10. Okay, so it's not like the more money you put in, you win more. Okay, I've seen people starting with $5 and making $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, so in this competition, you either choose $10 or $100. There's nothing more, maximum $100, because if I consider more, like if there was no limit, I know people would deposit $10,000 and then it would not be fair, okay? So we want the competition to be fair for everyone. This is the range your initial deposit can be. Next, the winners will be determined based on final balance of the account. This is so obvious. When the competition finishes, the person who has more balance, person who grows the account more will be the winner, okay? The first 3% who has the biggest balances started from this amount will win the prizes. And prize also will be distributed within 3 to 5 days after the competition. And the sign up is through Telegram bot. We will go through that in a minute, how to sign up and about what to exactly do. And this is one-time registration. And the point about it is that we probably gonna have a competition every single month or every other month. And this is going to be a consistent activity of this channel. And when you sign up now, you're not going to be needed to sign up again for the next month. So you automatically are going to be in the next competition as well. So it's going to be a lot easier. But since this is the first time, you need to go through this process of signing up. Okay. And we will get to that in a minute. Please watch this video till the end because I don't want you to miss some details. So how to sign up? In order to sign up, you go to the link in the description. There's a Telegram bot. I will put the first link in the description. After clicking on the first link in the description, you will face this. Okay, so this is the Telegram bot. You will face after clicking the first link in the description. Then you hit the start button and you will see this. Okay. Let me put this away. Okay, you will see this one. Then you will have this panel to choose sign up, competition rules, leaderboard, and frequently asked questions. Okay, everything has been explained in this Telegram bot and you will be able to sign up, and signing up is not difficult at all. Maybe you can do it in 5 minutes. Okay, and after you signed up, you will be added to a group and you will have the preparation course after you finish the sign up. Okay, then you can go and watch the course, and that's also free only for participants. And then I will announce when you can start the competition and you can start trading. Okay, everything will be announced in the official Telegram channel. That's it. I hope everything was clear. And yeah, you can go and start signing up right now. I hope everything was clear. You can ask your questions in the comments. I will read all the comments and answer all the comments. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for everything. And I hope this really helps those who seeking help. Like so many people text daily and they cannot afford mentorship. This is a perfect time to have the chance to win the mentorship, win the big money. I hope I hope whoever deserves this prizes can win the money. And thank you for watching, everyone. See you there.